Are you ready to take full control of your data insights in HubSpot? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create and manage your dashboards in HubSpot, step by step, in this complete 2025 guide. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your analytics game, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to build custom dashboards and keep them perfectly organized. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account, head over to the HubSpot homepage and click the Log In button. Enter your credentials or create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, look for the Reports section on your main HubSpot dashboard. Click on it, and from there, select Dashboards. This is where all your dashboard management magic happens. To create a new dashboard, click Create Dashboard. Here, you can name your dashboard, choose from ready-made templates, or build one entirely from scratch based on your business needs. This is the perfect place to track KPIs, sales performance, marketing campaigns, or any other key metrics that matter most to your team. After you've added the widgets and customized the layout to your liking, click Exit to leave creation mode. Now, your dashboard is live and ready for real-time insights. Managing your dashboards is just as simple. Click Manage Dashboards to view all your existing dashboards. From here, you can edit them, update widgets, rename them, or even remove outdated ones. This feature helps you keep your analytics neat, relevant, and focused on what drives your business forward. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and manage dashboards in HubSpot like a pro. With these tools, you can keep your team aligned and make smarter data-driven decisions every day. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy HubSpot tutorials, and drop your questions or future video requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.